Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're going up to some waterfalls. Excuse the traffic noise. Ryder Thee, Black Waterfalls. We're going up past this, well, it's a town hall. It looks more like a tin church, but I'll show you that in a minute. Turn you around. There it is. There you go. And we've got to go up that road there. Catch you soon as we're further up. Nice woodland. Cascades coming down. This is a lovely area. I'm here today with Mark. He's up there, probably can't make him out. There you go. Another one further up, I think. There's a bigger waterfall there. Ryder Thee. See you soon. Nice swirling action here with the water. Wouldn't want to fall in there, to be fair. Hopefully you can hear me over the water. Quite loud. More falls here. Mark over there lining a shot up. I haven't even got my camera out yet, but there you go. Lovely day. Here's the bridge over the River Gamlin. This mic doesn't seem to be working. Try again. Track here leads down to the bridge. You cross, go up the other side, and the waterfalls are up that way. And whether they can be made out. I'll be going up there in a bit anyway. See you in a bit. Take a walk down to the bridge now. Right, yeah. Over the bridge. Not got enough hands. Whoop. Here we go. Through the gate. Boom. It's up 25 on what that's all about. That blue sky reflecting in the river there, River Gamlin. Okay, now coming across. Supposed to be a stone here with an inscription on it. I don't know where it is. Have a look around. Where is the stone with the inscription? I'd be surprised if somebody hasn't pinched it. There we go. Coed Ganllywyd National Nature Reserve. Bit of a inscription here. Pride of Thee. Obviously there in Welsh. What is it? Not Welsh. Well, I think it is. I don't know whether that could be made out if it was paused and zoomed in. Maybe, maybe not. I thought there was supposed to be a stone here with an inscription on, but cannot find it. Well, there's that, but it's a wooden post. Here we go. New to this camera. I believe the falls are up here. The bigger falls, that is. One coming into view there. There we go. Quite impressive. Very black pool at the bottom. Ryder Lee. Getting to the top of the falls. Doing the mic on. Say this is approaching the top of the falls. We're going further up to see the further waterfalls. It'll be that way, I think. Here's Mark coming up. Quite steep ground. Top of the falls here. Let's bring you around. Quite a bit of spray coming off the water. And there's Mark taking a shot. Oh. I don't know whether you can hear me over this rush of water. A big drop down there. Wouldn't want to fall down there. There we go. Getting the drone up now. These waterfalls just keep going and going. Oh, I haven't got the mic on. Now flying the drone. These waterfalls just keep going and going and going and going. They're not far, but certainly seem to go quite far. Nice woodland, to be honest. Even if I say so myself. We've had a few Texans flying over from RAF Valley. Fairly low. I reckon these can go underwater, can't they?
Yeah, if you've got all the casings done, yeah. It'll be clear. I mean, I haven't. I mean,
Glug, 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 glug. That's it, dead.
Have a look.
Take it back to the shop.
No, not bubbles. I thought it's just stones on the bottom, I think, isn't it?
I don't know whether it works sideways.
It Look at that.
I did have an action cam.
Nice. They said they are waterproof to X amount of depth.
Yeah, you got to make sure these are shut, haven't
Oh
you?
yeah, yeah. And you haven't got any open for where you put your jacks in.
There isn't any.
No, that's good.
First underwater go, eh? See what it's like. Mark Bryant flying the drone again. Oop. Here's the lichen covered rock hiding. We couldn't see it at first. And there it is. It is in Latin and English. I must admit there's quite a view of the waterfall from here. Let's put it on 2 times. The unfortunate thing with this camera, you can't change the zoom while you're recording, which is a bit silly really, I think. Fantastic woodland, as one can see. Lots of oak trees. Planes shooting about. Mark. Gnarly twisted oaks. Fantastic. Excuse me. Oh, here we go again. Drone's going up again. Take off. Sorry. Some old farming equipment here. I'm sure somebody will know what it's called. Probably for turning the straw over when it's in the fields for drying. But I think they do have a name, which I'm not sure of. I don't think it'll be turning any straw over anymore. Yeah, Mark's seen this. I'm too blind to see it. There you go. Right, so that's the end of today. Been very enjoyable, I must admit. Plenty of cascades. Hopefully my video will be not too bad. But there you go. Big learning curve. Hopefully I'll get better and better as it goes on. Learning every day. Right. Please subscribe to the channel. Give us a thumbs up, it does help. And we'll catch you on the next one, hopefully. Bye for now. Take care.